Welcome to Shorthand Hub channel. Get ready for the dictation at the rate of 50 words per minute. Progressive shorthand dictation. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Several agricultural universities have carried out surveys, and the results of these surveys are available. Punjab University carried out a survey, and other research students have also and have pointed out what the cost of production would be. For instance, in regard to wheat, they have arrived at the finding that the cost of production would be in the region of rupees 320. Yet the procurement price is fixed at 305. What is the justification for this? In the face of the fact that the price of fertilizer, an important input, has been doubled, the prices have increased considerably, and many types of pesticides that are in the market today are adulterated. What steps have the government taken to ensure that the pesticides that in the market for sale to the farmers are of the right quality and are not adulterated ones? Is there any machinery in regard to drugs, at least in a name? There is a drug controller in every state to see that the drugs sold are not adulterated. In regard to pesticides, have not you set up any machinery to ensure that the pesticides are not adulterated? Last but not the least important factor for maximization of agricultural production is water. They say they have programs for increasing irrigation facilities. During the fourth plan, they wanted to bring in a considerable additional area under irrigation so that they could have assured water supply. They have similar programs in the fifth plan. Why is it that a number of these products are not completed within the time schedule that is laid down? Why is it that a number of most desirable projects are not even taken in hand for years for one reason or another, and the majority of them are held up because of interstate water disputes? What steps have been taken by the government to resolve those disputes? They say that they have no powers. What is the good of their saying? So when the ruling party is today in a position to pass any legislation that it desires, even to amend the constitution as often as it likes. Stop. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. If you want to encourage our channel, please join through the join button.